Assalamualaikum, I am Fahri. I want to tell you about Silent Hill. Actually, Silent Hill is a game, but the theme is story game. But I just tell a story, not as the player that I play the game. In the first time, there is someone. The name is James. Uh, James decide to go to Silent Hill because he getting the letter from his wife he love. The name is Mary, and James itself knew and understood that Mary had died 3 years ago. But he's getting letter if Mary want to James to come the city, and the city is Silent Hill. And then James want to find out his wife and find out about his wife at the city. And then James go to inside the city, and then he meet Laura. She is a girl, and he meet in the grave. And then when he and Laura meet, the city actually viral because there is stick fog, stick fog city. So many stick fog inside the city. And then when James and Laura are meet, at the time James just talk with Laura, and then Laura also has uh, has a goals if he want to find out his family. And then James want to Laura come with James and go together to find out what they want. But Laura doesn't want, and she say if she can she can if she do it with himself. And then James continue the journey. He go to inside, and in the inside there is no people. Before James go to Silent Hill, he thinks if there is no people live here, so he thinks about it. And then when he's inside the city, he begin to find out uh, little thing for the clue if uh, Mary is still alive. And then he began to enter the house one by one and search the clue like the letter, maybe the key or something. Uh, Something is important. And then when James been wonder for 2 hours, he get the clue, and the clue is ask for James to go the one apartment and go up to fifth floor, and then after that James go to apartment and go up to fifth floor, and then in the station and in the room there is a puzzle, and he must solve the puzzle. And then James begin to solve the problem, the puzzle. And then after he find out how he can solve the puzzle, but finally he can solve the puzzle. And then after he solved the puzzle, there is the door is open, and when he go to the door and open, he see maybe like underground room. He go there and he see something wrong with this place. But and then after every minute he's go walk and see around him. He meet the monster, like a strange monster. There is no face, just leg, and then he from that he must prepare and bring the weapon like a stick. He bring stick for kill the monster. And then after that when he go to toilet, before that he James hear if there is a voice from the toilet, and then he go to toilet and he see there is people here, but I think he is still young and he is a man. And then James ask question, why are you here and what are you doing here in this place? And then someone he answer if he go here for find out something, and then his name is Eddie. And then James say, if you come here for find out something, So is the same with me, but I go here for find out my wife, and then James say to Eddie, he should careful because there is monster outside. And then James continue to find out the clue. He is go outside and go to Rose Park, Rose Park, and at the time he looked the girl stand up in the middle uh, of the place, and then he come up to the girl, and uh, when James the first he look the girl is the same with Maria, is the same with Mary, but the real is not. She is Maria, and then James asks some question to her, and then they are begin to small talk, and Maria want to help James for find out his wife, and then James go with Maria to the some place, and James follow Maria, and then after several minutes he got to uh, homeless night, if I not wrong. The place is like for party or clubbing, and then Maria invite him to party and have fun, but James doesn't want to wasting time, and he want to uh, soon find out his wife, and then Maria know if James love with his wife and his effort is high, and then after that they are begin to go uh, the other place, and then they are uh, arrive in apartment again, and then in the apartment there is a crew again, um, and then James go to inside apartment and go work from for find out the room he look for, and then after he found something, and there is a puzzle again. And after puzzle, he made the monster, but now the monster uh, has the weapon, and he bring the stick, but the stick there is apa ya, is there is a part the end is soft, so and then after James finish the puzzle and go work, and then he meet Eddie again, but in the cinema. He look at the is eating snack, but the other side uh, he listen, there is a little girl uh, call him, and then he catch up and the little girl. After several minutes, he behind the track, and then yeah, and then after that, James come to Maria again, and then they are uh, want to go out because James realize if he is he get the trap, so James and Maria go out, but on the way on the way James and Maria is chased by monster, and then they are run to the lift, but uh, but Maria is pass out, and then James is inside the lift, and he keep the lift is still open. When Maria try to enter the lift, but the monster hurriedly step, and James see dead, and maybe Maria is die, and then James go outside, and he feel guilty to Maria, and then he go out and is go to the new place, and he go with the boat, and after arrive when he go to the house, there is little girl, and then the little girl give James the letter, and she say if the letter from Mary, so James read the letter, and then the letter uh, feel is feel about Mary. She miss James, and she know if James will go to Silent Hill. And then after he read, he go to the bedroom, and he bring cassette or like VCD for play the video. When he play the video and on the TV, he say he saw if several years ago he and Mary uh, ever live together, but because Mary sick, so James is leave her. And then he saw if in the video Mary say something. And then after that there is someone kill Mary, and then the video is end. And then James say to little girl if he kill the Mary, so the little girl hate James because she is close with Mary. She always help Mary when Mary need help, and she is take care of Mary when she is sick. And then James go to the place, and he thinks if this place will find out his wife. And then when he inside, and he fight with the monster, suddenly die, and maybe James say it's enough. I don't want this anymore. And then he's hurry to go up because the clue give information if Mary is still alive and she is in the second floor. But when James arrived in upper floor, he see Mary, and is the same with Mary. But James know if she is not Mary, but she is Maria. James know if there is something wrong, so he know if during his go to Silent Hill, when he meet the monster on the way, is It's because scene reflection. James to Mary because James when the first James and Mary the relationship is fine, but when Mary gets sick and James must take care of Mary, but James want to Mary happy, but James also he want to happy, but his wife must get sick, so he feel tired to take care of Mary, so he leave her, and he think if Mary is died 3 years ago, but is not right, is wrong, and then and then before he fight with two monster, there is Maria, but actually is Mary. She is hung with the position head is head in under and leg in upper, like upside down, and then she is uh, killed by the monster before James fight with the monster. So he know if this will happen when he's realize if it's about his sin, but at the end James success to kill Maria, and in the last scene is shown James talk with Mary, and Mary still sick and lie down on the bed, and then James talk with Mary, but Mary know if James love her, but because Mary sick, James is burden, and then when the people meet with James is also the same with James. Other people have a reflection, scene reflection, because Silent Hill have a power. If the someone go to Silent Hill, so Silent Hill will show suffering the people that come to Silent Hill. And then James can go out from Silent Hill with calm, and there is no suffering again. That's all. Thank you for listening me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.